Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi A6 Saloon Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos Black metallic paintwork, which is really give it that menacing appearance. Now as you look towards the fantastic key features, this particular example being the Black Edition does mean it benefits from the additional gloss black styling around the vehicle. As well as this, the Black Edition does continue the sporty design such as the rear bumper and front bumper. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these Black Edition specific 20-inch cast aluminium Audi Sport alloys in the matte grey. They are a part of the Audi Sport lineup and do look fantastic against the black paint. To the rear and the side now, where we find the rear privacy glass in which does keep those rear occupants from view, as well as continuing the blacked out theme. Now moving into the boot capacity of the A6 Saloon, which is 530 litres, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate two larger suitcases as well as a few additional bags, and there is netting on the left hand side. Moving into the rear seat, we do find a half leather interior with the additional cloth in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present two useful cup holders. There are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, where there's also more than enough leg space to carry 3 occupants comfortably. Moving into the front, we do find a very well designed and luxurious interior, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, alcantara, aluminium, carbon fibre and gloss black. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean you do benefit and get the two-tone leather seats with the Audi Sports logo. Above that, we receive virtual cockpit, in which is featured that central sports rev counter, and when pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can also change the view of the overall display. To the centre of the dashboard now, there is this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, and you can also access the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving to the screen below now, which is the dual zone climate control, which is touch sensitive, and either side of this you do find the heated seat functionalities for both front occupants. Moving to the screen above once again, we do find a reversing camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors, which does make this A6 Saloon much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.